Beta, not mental math. Chapter number 4 division. Chapter number 4 division. Everyone open page number 70 of your math success. In the previous class, I have said to everyone to keep your book also with you, to keep your classwork copy and one rough copy with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 7070. Now let's learn, everyone, what are the terms we use in division. Now this is the number 20. We have to divide it by 4. We have to divide it by 4. This is the symbol of division. This is the symbol of division. How we will divide it? Now see, this number, the number we have to divide, we will keep it in between. After that, by which number we have to divide, we will keep left hand side. Now the number is here 20. Now let's check when, on which number 20 is coming in 4's table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3s are 12, 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So if I will go to the 4 5s are, it will be 20. So 5 I will write here and 20 I will write here. Then 20 will be minus from the 20. What will be here? 0. And we can put cross also, 0 or cross sign. Now see, what we call 4, what we call 20, what we call this 5, what we call this cross or 0. Let's learn it. This is called quotient. This is called dividend. 4 is called divisor. And the number we left, the number is left after the subtraction from the dividend, that is called remainder. Some students call it remainder, that is different thing. Remainder is different and remainder is different. Remainder is leftover and remainder is to recall anything. So this is not remainder, this is remainder. The number which is being divided, that is called dividend. The number by which we are dividing, that is called divisor. After division, what we get, that is called quotient. And when some number is subtracted from the dividend, what is the leftover number, that is called remainder. Understood? These are the terms used in division. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, everyone?
Yes,
On these basis, and there
Yes,
is
ma'am.
one formula. Yes, there is one formula. There is one formula how to check the answer. You will write this thing in your classwork copy. This is called dividend. This is called quotient. This is called divisor. And after dividend, what we get here, that is called remainder. This thing you all have to write in your classwork copy. Divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient, this is remainder. It is visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And there is how to, as we have done the checking of the subtraction, we can check our answer that quotient and remainder are correct or not. We can check our division that we have done it correctly or wrongly. So there is one formula, that is quotient multiply divisor, after that plus remainder is equals to dividend. Before exercise, first exercise of chapter number 4, these two things you have to write in the classwork copy. First write it now in the rough copy, then you will write in the classwork copy, everyone. Quotient, this is the quotient, this is divisor. If we will multiply these two numbers, after multiplication we will add remainder to the product. If we will get the dividend, it means the division we have done, it is correct. If it is not coming equal to the dividend, so we have done division wrongly. We can check our answer, quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equals to dividend. We will not add first the remainder. First we will multiply quotient and divisor, then we will add remainder to its product. Everyone switch on your camera. I want to see everyone what you are doing. Everyone switch on your camera. Vishu Raj. These two things understood, everyone? Any doubt? Ask me now only, because with the help of these two things we have to solve the question in exercise 4A. Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Written, everyone? If anything will be missed, I will give you as PDF also in the Google Classroom. You can download the file from Google Classroom and write. Now let's start the exercise 4A. Everyone open the page number 70. Question number 1 we will do in the book only. Question number B we will do in the classwork copy. Everyone open the exercise 4A. Everyone open the exercise 4A. Yes, let me ask from you only, because I have said what is the dividend, what is the divisor, what is the quotient. Let me ask to you all. Harsh Kumar Singh. Question number 1 of A. What is the dividend?
8.
8 is the dividend. Which number we have to divide?
40.
40 is the dividend. Yes, Anand Raj. Which number is divisor?
8.
8 is divisor. Very good. Yes, Sia Kumari. Which number is quotient? Which number is quotient?
5.
5. Very good. Next, Kavita Munda. In the second question, which number is dividend? Kavita Munda. Beta, unmute your phone first. After giving me the answer, you have to mute your phone.
Ma'am,
What?
72.
Very good. 72 is the dividend. Divyanshu, are you able to hear me? In the question number 2, which one is the divisor? Unmute your phone.
I'm 9.
9 will be the divisor. Suryansh Prasad, which number will be the quotient?
I'm 8.
Very good. Nidhi Kumari, in the third question, which number will be the dividend?
I'm 35.
35. Which number will be the divisor?
5.
Very good, 5. Which number will be the quotient?
7.
Very good. Yes, Ankita Kumari. Ankita Kumari. Yes, tell me the
Yes,
question
ma'am.
number 4. Ankita
19.
Kumari, tell me the question number 4. Which number is dividend?
Ma'am, 90.
90.
Very good, 90. Which number is divisor?
9.
9.
9. Very good. Which number is quotient?
10.
10. Very
Ma'am,
good.
10.
Very good. Siddhi Kumari, tell me the question number 5.
Ma'am, 56.
Dividend is
56.
56. Very good. Now, divisor?
7.
Very good. And quotient?
8.
8. Very good. Completed the question number 1, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And put today's date
Yes, ma'am.
also. Put today's date also beside the question number A. Today's date is 8/7/20. Now everyone open the question number B. For question number B, I am telling you the question I will do in the online session, that will be the classwork, and the question which I will give you as homework, that you have to do in the homework copy. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's start.
We take out our
The
classroom copy.
question B is divide. See, everyone listen it carefully. I will not repeat it again. The question I will solve in the online session, that you have to do as classwork. The question I will solve now, that you have to do as classwork, and some question I will give you to you solve yourself, that will be done in the homework copy. Understood, everyone? Which one with the classwork, which one will be the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let's start. Let's start. Divide and check your answer. What we have to do is, we have to divide. The question number 1 is 66 divide 3. Now, which number is the dividend? That is 66.
6.
Which number is the divisor? 3. 3 is the divisor. Now, see, 3 is the one digit number.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will take one digit from the divisor or dividend also. So 3, tell me the number on which number 6 is coming in 3's table.
Ma'am, 3 to the 6.
Very good. 3 to the
6.
6. Now 6 will be subtracted from 6. We will get 0. Now we will take another 6 downside. Now again 3 to the 6. So what is the What is the divisor? Divisor is equals to 3. What is the quotient?
Ma'am, 22.
Quotient will be 22. Dividend will be
66.
66. Now we have to check the answer. Let's check the answer. What is the formula for check the answer? Who will tell me? Who will tell me formula for checking the answer? Quotient multiply divisor plus remainder is equals to dividend. Now what is the quotient? Quotient is 22 multiply by 3, and then what is the remainder? That is 0 is equals to dividend. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 plus 0 is equals to understood. 66 is equals to dividend, and 66 is dividend we have. So this question is correct. We have done correctly. Write it, everyone. Write it, everyone. Question number 1. This you will do in the classwork copy. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Write it fast. Then we will do the next question. Write in the rough copy now. After the class, you will share it. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the second question. That is 85 is divided by 4. So 85 we will write here and 4 we will write here. Now 4 is the one digit. We will take the one digit number from the dividend 8. Now tell me 8 is coming in 4's table. Is 8 is coming in 4's table? Yes, it is coming. 4 to the
Yes, ma'am.
8. So we will divide it by 2 the 4 to the 8. Now it is 0. Now it will be 5. 5 will be down Now 5. 5 is coming in 4's table.
No, ma'am.
No. So tell me less than 5 number which is coming in 4's table.
4. Ma'am,
4. Very good, Ankita. Yes, very good. 4 ones are 4.
4.
Now 5 minus 4 is
Ma'am, 1.
1. Yes. So quotient is equals to 21. What is the dividend? What is the dividend?
85.
85.
5.
What is the, yes, what is the remainder? What is the remainder?
1.
1.
1.
1. Very good. Now what is the divisor?
4.
4.
4. Very good. Now let's check the answer whether we have done it correctly or wrong. So dividend is equals to plus remainder. What is the quotient? 21. What is the divisor? That is 4. Plus what is the remainder? 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Plus 1 is equals to 85. Therefore, answer is correct. Write it. Question number 2, everyone. Understood, everyone? Anyone is there who have not understood? Anyone is here who have not understood? Ask me. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it, write it. Again, I am repeating because some students have entered now. The question I am doing in the online session that you have to do as classwork, and the question which I will give you as homework that you will do in the homework copy.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
completed.
Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now question number 3 and 4 you will do as homework. Question number 3 and 4 you will do as homework. Let's do the question number 5. Question number 5 is 246, that is 246 divided by 2. Now first we will make this symbol of division. Next 2 will be here. Now tell me 2 is one's digit, so we will take the 1 digit from the dividend also. Now tell me 2 when is 2 is coming in 2's table? 2 ones are 2. So it is coming on ones are. Now 2 minus 2 is 0. We will take 4 downside. Now when 4 is coming in 2's table,
Yes, ma'am.
when it is coming 2 to the 4. Very good. Now we will take 6 to the down. Now tell me when 6 is coming in 2's table.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. But take the
2
number
3s
now
are
on
6.
which. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Very good. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now tell me which is the quotient, which number is the quotient?
Ma'am, 123.
123 is the quotient. What is the remainder?
1 0.
0. Very
Ma'am,
good.
0.
What is the divisor? What is the
Ma'am,
divisor?
246.
246 is the divisor. Divisor.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, 2 is the divisor. And what is the dividend?
246.
Yes, 246 is the dividend. Once again, I am repeating the number which is written in between and the number which is to be divided, that is dividend. By which the number is divided, that is divisor. After divisor, what we get, that is quotient and remainder. Remainder we get downside, that is leftover number. Now let's check the answer. Check the answer. Dividend. You have to learn the formula for checking the answer. Dividend is equals to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor? 2. What is the
2.
quotient? That is 123. Then plus 2 equals to 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 plus 0 is equals to 246. Therefore, answer is correct. Understood, everyone? How we have to solve these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write it. Yes, write it. Anybody is there who have not understood? Ask to me.
Ma'am, complete.
I am complete. I'm complete. I'm complete.
The question I have solved, in which copy you all have to do? Tell me.
Classwork.
Ma'am, classwork.
Very good, very good. Classwork copy. And the homework questions you have to do in?
Homework copy. No copy.
And question
Ma'am.
number A you have to do in textbook only. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask you something.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, we have to do the homework in homework copy 1 or 2.
Now do the homework copy in one only.
Yes, ma'am.
Once that will be finished, then start in homework copy 2. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the WhatsApp number of recitation competition?
For that you have to go to the Google Classroom. There is written in the notice.
And there is
Go
no.
to the Google.
Ma'am, I found. Ma'am, huh? Ma'am, I see there, ma'am. I don't see say that WhatsApp number.
There is already written the WhatsApp number. You can check in the Google Classroom.
My check. Yes, ma'am.
You just open that notice of
Yes, ma'am.
23rd June.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now let's do the next question. Completed everyone? Question number 5.
Ma'am.
Let's do the question number 6. Let's do the question number 6. 572 divide by 8. If you want to write the WhatsApp number, write it. Suryansh Prasad, write it. Write the number, Suryansh. 821 024 I have sent the number to everyone. Check your inbox after the class. Now let's do the last question for today. 572 we have to divide it by 8. So 572 will come in between, and after that we will write 8. Now tell me, 8 is the one digit number and we will take the one digit number, but it is 5. It is less than 8. So we will take 2 digit number. Now tell me the number which will come in 8's table, which is equal to 56, 57 or less than 57. 57 is not coming in its 8's table. So let's check the number which is less than 57 and will come in 8's table. 8 8s are 64. It is more than 57. So 8 7s are 56. Now 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 we will take down. Now 12. 8 to the 16, which is more than 12. So we will divide it by 1 the 8 1 the 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. So what is the quotient? 71. What is the remainder? That is 4. What is the divisor? That is 8. What is the dividend? That is
572.
572. Very good. Let's check the answer. Dividend is equals to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. What is the quotient? That is 71. Multiply by divisor, that is 4. Then plus divisor is 8, remainder is 4. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56 plus 4 is equals to 8 plus 4 is 12. That is 572. Therefore, answer is correct. Understood, everyone? The question number 7, 8, 9 you have to do as homework.
Okay.
The question number 7, 8, 4. Question number 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 you have to do as homework. And after the class, make the video and send it to on WhatsApp number, everyone. For English recitation, make the video and send it to WhatsApp number that I have messaged to you.